Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, January the 6th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. What's the news of today? Well, I've told you earlier, 457 days ago another war started, and not in Ukraine but also in Israel. Against Hamas, and I've just heard that 100 people killed in Gaza. So yeah, I don't think there will be any peace there. Peace is a difficult word for those people there. So anyway, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will finish this last regular puzzle, number 9849. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, double ones, there no, double ones, there no. And now there are double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box will be an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and no. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1 then. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes in no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then, wow, double O's, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare. Question is these two columns or these two rows. Let me see. Double O, no. Double O, no. Then 101. 101. No 1 and 1. So it should be the rows. Then we see here double 1, here double 1. Okay. O1. O. This row and the last row. Alright, let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double check, 1 2 3 4 5. Correct in 6 minutes. We solve it again. With only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.